A popular art contest in the city of Torrance reaches a milestone this year.
Hollywood has continuously misrepresented and incorrectly portrayed Asian people. A scene that comes to mind is Mickey Rooney's role as Mr. Yunioshi in Breakfast at Tiffany's.
In recent movements, we've seen women's marches, pride parades, and rallies against the immigration ban. These were all successful in uniting people of a specific kind, but not necessarily people of all kinds.
Poetry, short stories to pieces of art from various mediums are all ways local Torrance High School students express themselves as part of the 2019 Martin Luther King Jr. Visions of Unity Arts Contest. Winners were able to show off their work at the celebratory award ceremony at Torrance Memorial Medical Center. In its 20th year, the contest encouraged students to think about the issues involving their community and inclusion and acceptance and what they would like to see in the future about enhancing unity.
We are introducing the community to young people who have a voice and words that they should listen to. Here we have people from the community that come to these award celebrations. We have people from school district, teachers, family, and each year we reach over several hundred people with the messages that these young people have.
My entry was about, I like to write stories about Asian American, mostly being isolated by her community, because sometimes that's the way how I feel, like at school or at home, and I just want more people to know about stories like these.
The inspiration for this is probably that Torrance is like a very diverse community. It's a very melting pot. We have a lot of different races and cultures here, and I think that it also helps that in my photo class we have a lot of different races, and it's very mixed and it's very gender mixed too. So that's why I got one girl, one boy, and two completely different races, and I think that's just my vision of unity.
The contest was inspired by Dr. Martin Luther King. Winners received cash awards thanks to sponsors. All of the winners' works were officially published in an anthology. In the last 20 years, more than 700 students received awards and more than $60,000 was given in cash prizes.
Where I live, the city of Torrance, I went to Torrance High School, and I look at what is happening in our community now and how there's a strong drive, a unique drive for unity within our community and how it's being led by youth. And I take great pride in that, and I think, you know what, maybe there is hope after all. So if nothing else, I look to this Visions of Unity contest as the day where the youth can inspire us older generations that there is hope. We can conquer our partisan divides. We can find unity in our common humanity.
Winning art entries will also be displayed in the Katy